Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Today, you want to learn about how you can remove the card icon from the header of your Shopify color block theme. Today, I'm going to put you through exactly how you can remove this card icon and make it look just like this. Now, let's get straight to the video. Yeah. Once you're here, you come to your admin and you come to your online store, you come to your themes and you come here and click on customize. I'm sure you've already had the color block. You had a theme, so go ahead, add it and come here, click on customize and you'll land here in your customization tab. And right here at this section, you want to look at the left section, okay, the left hand of your screen and come here to header, not this header, please, this header, then click this and you scroll down and click on custom CSS. And what you want to do is just to copy paste. So come here to this doc file, which I'm going to be giving to you. And you want to copy this doc file that you're seeing here. Just copy, okay, the one that says to remove using CS, that is CSS. So come here and paste and go. It's gone. Yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. And you just hit on save and you're good to go. That's all. How about if maybe you don't want to use custom CSS? I don't really like that Maverick. I want to use another method. Okay, let's do that. So you can also do this. Just cancel, just remove that, and you see, we're good to go. So let's use another method to hide or remove. And what you can do is that you can go here to you can see color block, you can see draft. Click on this three dotted line here and click on edit code. All right. Click on edit code. And once you click on edit code, you want to go back to this doc file here. And you're gonna scroll down, okay, to this part that says to hide it using base, okay, and you wanna go ahead and copy this, and right there you wanna come back to this. I mean, the edit code that's loaded, okay. So this, when we click on edit code, this is it. So you wanna come here to assets, yeah, here assets. So you wanna click on assets, and you wanna click on base.css, and you wanna go down. Don't touch anything, just scroll down, okay. Just go down, baby. Go down, down, down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So now down here, just paste the code and that's all. So you're not tampering with anything. Just copy and paste that as all, and make sure that you save and just hit on save. And once you go back, it's gone again. Okay, it's gone. All right, you're not gonna see it again. All right, so this is exactly how you can hide or remove the card icon from your Shopify header, okay, in your color block theme. All right, and another way you can also do this is by using custom liquid, which is another trick, and it's kind of okay. So let me go back and remove this code, and I click on save. All right, so when I go back, you see it's back again. So I can actually use custom liquid. I can just click on add section and click on add block here. It's going to show. No. So I'm going to click on add section, and then I click on custom liquid, and I click on custom liquid again, and I go back to this doc file and I scroll up, and I use this code that says to remove using CL. So you're going to see everything there, and I copy, and I go back, sorry, right there, and I paste. It's gone. You see, it's gone. It's gone. Yeah. All right. So this is exactly how you can do this using three methods that I've taught you. And this method, it's superb and you can keep using it for life. Thank you very much. If this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. It won't cost you anything. Please make sure you subscribe and at least like the video also so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And, so that a lot of people need video tutorials like this. And it helps YouTube to make it rank and also get other people to watch it. So please subscribe because I'm here for you guys to help you guys to, make life easy for you without you needing to stress yourself. So please subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials, and I drop video tutorials every single day. Thank you very much in advance. And please make sure that you take care of yourself. It's very important. So while you're trying to strive and make money, also take care of yourself. It's very important. Thank you. I'll see you in another video tutorial. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.